Alright, good morning. This lesson is for my trig pre-calc class. This is Friday, April the 3rd. Before I get started, I wanted to say I hope everyone is doing alright. This lesson is going to be pretty short. It's actually a really easy new idea. So for the rest of the homework assignment that I'm assigning today, you're just going to be doing review problems. I also included on the homework assignment ideas that you should have on your cheat sheet. So if you're missing any of them, go ahead and add that, and that should complete what we have covered in chapter 3. I will also be adding an attendance assignment. Please make sure you do the attendance assignment. And again, I want to really encourage you guys to make sure that you're doing your homework assignments, because again, that's all I can grade you on right now. So hang in there, do the best we can, and if there's any resources that I can help you with, please reach out. And I hope, again, that everyone is doing okay. So let me talk about our goals for the day. And we don't have two goals, we have one goal. And our first goal is we are going to create a change of base formula. The change of base formula was important when we didn't have such good calculators. But nowadays, because calculators are so good, it doesn't really matter. But it's a good exercise in algebra skills. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to use these three concepts to rewrite this value. So I've set the equation up, and I just want to walk you through the concept here of the argument. And so let's just go ahead and move ahead with this. Let me grab a marker, and here we go. All right. So log base b of a is going to be equal to some exponent x. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this in its exponential form. So now I get b to the power x is equal to, I don't know. Well, I do know, it's actually a. It's not hard. I use this idea. Still early and I'm struggling. Alright, so I've used that concept. Now, I've actually landed on this idea. So if I have this, I can rewrite it in this way. Now, I'm allowed to choose any base that I want, okay? And so, for this problem, I'm going to use, let's say, base c. So I'm here in the equation, I'm going to turn it into this. So now I'm going to get log base c of b to the x power times b to the x power is equal to log base c of a. Okay, so again I had this and I turned it into that. Now we have a couple more steps to finish this change of base lesson. And again, I have 4 problems that I'm going to ask you to change the base of. It's not a very difficult concept here. Alright, so now notice on this rule, a has an exponent of c, and I can bring that out in front. So I'm going to bring this value of x out in front and rewrite my equation. So now I have x times log base c of b, and that's equal to log base c of a. I want to get my x by itself. All x's end up by themselves eventually, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by log base c of b, and now I'm going to be left with it again. I'm going to divide out this. So x is going to be equal to log base c of a, and we're going to divide that by log base c of b. And I'm almost done with this argument. Now, at the very beginning, notice that my very first equation was equal to x, that x. And so I can replace this x with this, all right? So the change of base formula actually means that if I have a log base b of a, I can rewrite it as log base whatever I want of a divided by log same base of b. So let me just write this down here real quick, what we've actually argued. Log base b of a is going to be equal to log base C of A divided by log base C of B. And this is a pattern that you guys will be asked to apply. Again, you get to pick whatever value you want for C. And, you know, there's a, if C was 10, this would just be log base 10 of A, right? You would just say log A. And if it was E, it would be ln, or natural log of A. So be aware of that. And again, like I said, it's a very short lesson. But I think today is a good day for review. So in closing, I do, again, hope everyone's doing all right. If you've fallen behind on some of the assignments and you want to make them up, do it. There, you know, there's extended time. We're in a new situation, and I want to be flexible, and I want you guys to do your work. So if you're missing assignments, turn them in. Get them turned in to me, please. I won't take any points off. You can turn it in late, but get it turned in. Again, I hope everyone is doing all right, and I'm going to post this video right now, and please make sure that you do your attendance. Have a good weekend, everyone. I will post the next videos on Monday.